Draw a circle and a plus sign. Halfway down, make a triangle. Follow those lines out. For the ears, they're two U shapes. A very simple mouth. Two C shapes completes the mouth. And these little ovals for the eyes. After you draw the lower jaw, follow the rest of the circle around for the sides and the top of the head. Details in the eyes now. Draw a circle and a dot in the middle. Shade it slightly darker on the top than the bottom. For the detail of the nose, think about a T shape. Color in the nose and the top of the nose. You have smaller spots in the middle, and they get larger as you move down to the side of the head. I'm going to color in the ears now. Very lightly shade around the side of the head. For the whiskers, you're going to draw circles. Draw some hair underneath the jaw and the whiskers. A little bit more detail around the mouth. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.